Hi, I'm Jeff, a product specialist here at Redcort Software, and I'd like to show you how to install Virtual TimeClock Pro Edition on a Mac. Remember, the Pro Edition allows you to track time for an unlimited number of employees from a single computer. First, you'll want to launch a web browser and head to www.redcort.com. Click on the download page and select Virtual TimeClock Pro. Confirm your version of Mac OS and click Download. Double-click the Virtual TimeClock Pro package icon and complete the installer. You'll need to enter an administrative password, the welcome window will open automatically. You can create a new company or explore a sample company. If you choose to explore a sample company, you can return to the welcome window by quitting and relaunching the program. We're going to create a new company. Enter your company name and create an administrative user. You can add additional administrative users later. You can also import users from QuickBooks or a CSV file. We're just going to add users manually. You just need to enter a first and last name for the employee to use the time clock. We're going to take a look at some other common configuration settings. First, let's look at overtime. The time clock comes with 3 common overtime rules. To assign employees to overtime, simply select the rule that applies to your business and assign your users. If you need to track time spent on different tasks, jobs, or projects when clocking in, you can set them up by creating new activities. I don't have a need to do that right now, so the default activity of in will work fine for my business. Choose display groups to set what program rules need to be in use for your time clock, including what interface employees will use to clock in and out. Although most businesses accept the default user actions, you can customize user and manager access to the different program features. Now let's set the payroll frequency, how often your employees get paid. My employees get paid weekly, so I'm going to leave that setting alone. And you can also set your current payroll period dates. Time settings allow you to set what rounding rules you want to apply to employee time cards and what day of the week your work week starts. Finally, you'll want to schedule a backup of your time clock data. Congratulations, Virtual TimeClock Pro is now set up and ready to use. Let's close the configuration panel. This will take you to the Virtual TimeClock Pro administration window. It has a toolbar with some common administrative functions like modifying and deleting entries, adding manual entries in case if somebody forgets to clock in, adding leave like vacation or sick time, viewing employee time cards, exporting data, exporting hours to a payroll program, closing the payroll period, sending and receiving messages, and performing a manual backup of your time clock data. Now let's close the administration window so Grace can clock in. You can either go to the File menu and turn administration off, or you can pick user mode from the pop-up. Grace needs simply to select her name, create her password, and perform an action like clocking in. The in-out board is instantly updated with her current status. If you'd like more information about Virtual TimeClock, please visit us online at www.redcort.com.